So we're out here with Jeff, the roof whisperer for Apex Roofing. He's going to let us know what we're attempting to do today. Take it away, Jeff.
Oh well, hello. Okay, bottom line is the house was just roofed, and it was not roofed by Apex. It was roofed by another roofing company. No, don't want to step on anybody's toes, but the ridge vent and everything was all done incorrectly. Um, it was not the type of material that here at Apex that we use. So we are changing, we are extending all our ridge vents with new ridge vent, new cap shingles, and just redoing the cap for Mrs. Christina Roberto, one of our wonderful sales reps. But that's what's happening in the process of the last roofers. Okay, in order for them to sell the house, we have the roofers dented the vents and stuff they put on there. So we're switching a couple 750 slant back vents out that are all dented up. Just making a thorough job for the next homeowners to enjoy their house.